Enjoy comfort, convenience, and energy savings with Bosch whole house electric tankless water heaters. The compact, powerful Bosch Tronic Series whole house electric tankless water heaters can be installed almost anywhere in the home. They provide hot water at 97% efficiency with virtually no standby heat loss as with traditional tank-type water heaters. Tronic Tankless Series units have modulating heating elements to ensure a constant temperature output to supply comfortable hot water to sinks, bathrooms, wet bars, patio kitchens, or nearly anywhere that's supplied with a cold water line. Tronic Tankless Series units may be conveniently installed in a closet, utility room, in a basement, or close to the point of use. As hot water is called for, Tronic Tankless heaters instantaneously heat the water. Because it's tankless, the Tronic Tankless stores no hot water in a tank, so only a cold water line connection is required. And it requires no valuable floor space. Tronic Tankless heaters are available in 3 sizes: 17 kilowatt, 27 kilowatt, or 36 kilowatt, all with 97% thermal efficiency and offer a 5-year limited warranty. For homes, businesses, garage apartments, in-law suites, anywhere hot water is needed without the hassle of a bulky, energy-wasting hot water tank, the smart solution is the Bosch Tronic Electric Whole House Tankless Water Heater. Bosch Tankless Water Heaters. Invented for life.